Welcome to Get Started with Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to invite collaborators. You can invite collaborators to join a calendar by clicking on Invite Collaborators in the drop-down menu on the right-hand side of your toolbar. You'll then be taken to your calendar settings. You can also navigate to your calendar settings directly and head to the Collaborators tab. Each collaborator you invite will receive an email invitation prompting them to join your calendar by creating an account or by logging into Loomly if they already have an account. If your invited collaborator does not already have a Loomly account, the calendar invitation will expire after 14 days. If an invitation expires or is accidentally deleted, you can resend it up to 3 times. When you invite a collaborator to join a calendar, you can assign a role to them. Loomly comes with 4 default roles out of the box: editor, client, contributor, and viewer. Each of these roles come with different levels of visibility into the Loomly platform so you can carefully manage what your collaborators have access to. Note that the owner role is automatically attributed to the user who created the calendar. If you need even more granular control, use custom roles to create tailor-made sets of permissions for each of your team members. Collaborators will only be able to access the calendar you invited them to. They do not need to subscribe or can use Loomly for free as long as they do not create any calendars of their own. We recommend that the account owner create all calendars and then invite collaborators to specific calendars to keep everything from your organization under one subscription. If one of your collaborators is being prompted to subscribe, they most likely have created a calendar of their own. If you'd like to continue using that calendar, your collaborator can transfer the ownership of the calendar to the account owner in the calendar settings. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team either through our chat or email at contact@loomly.com. Thank you for listening.